Hello everyone, this is Somya and you're watching the GlowGirlTales. At the end of the day, let there be no excuses, no explanations, and no regrets. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along to never miss any update. I get so many messages on being busy and unable to follow their regime and be fit and healthy because of the busy schedule. So, first very important tip is to be active, to keep your active to passive ratio in place. Because of the monotony of life, the kind of work and the lifestyle that we have today, it's very difficult to manage a fit and a healthy regime just because we are not that active. But when we incorporate some of the basic lifestyle changes like walk when you talk, which engages our muscles while doing some other activity, really helps you to keep your active to passive ratio high. Also, it engages all of your lower body muscles and makes sure that you don't have cellulite developed in your body. After that, one more important thing that you can do is to involve yourself in multitasking. That means using your couches, chairs to do some exercise while you're doing some other work. It really helps being active and keeping your active to passive ratio very high on number. So definitely try and do multitasking. Do some exercises that makes you use all these couches and chairs and involve your body and make sure that all of your muscles are engaged while doing some other work as well. Being regular and consistent with these small little changes in your lifestyle actually makes you active and really helps your body in getting rid of those extra fat deposits. Now, something is always better than nothing, as I always say. It's not important that you just go for 1 hour exercise. Just doing 10 minutes of HIIT workout burns an equivalent calories. So yes, go for these kind of workouts or do full body exercises that are not as long as going for 1 hour or 1.5 hours of walk, but really helps you engaging all of your body muscles and get rid of the extra fat deposits from your body. Doing planks, burpees, squats, all of these exercises are really full body exercises, helps you in toning, losing weight, and getting rid of the extra fat from your body. So definitely engage in these kind of exercises that are full body exercises, and at the very same time that doesn't take that much amount of time. Doing these short exercises really helps your body maintain that consistency along with your busy and a hectic schedule. I don't think we are chasing any goals that are time bounded. Like, it's not important when you get your results in your weight loss journey in 6 months, 12 months, or 2 years. It doesn't matter. It's important that you are regular. Even if when you are doing it for 10 minutes, you might not get the quick results, but it's important that you do it regularly and maintain a routine and a regime for yourself. You will get results today or tomorrow. It's not important when you want to go for some results in a very time bounded fashion, because that will not help you to maintain consistency. It's important that you're regular, no matter if the time is just 10 minutes or 1 hour. Just be regular with what you are doing. Nutritional balance. It's all about balancing your nutrition in the right way. And I completely understand that with the hectic schedule, people miss on their meal. This leads to nutrition imbalance, and hence you are not able to get your results even after a lot of hard work. If you are someone who lack time in preparing their own meals with complete nutrition, then definitely go for supplement, because lack of nutrition can play a very important role in limiting your weight loss journey. So here is Kapiva Slim Shake with the blend of all the important nutrients that you need if you are not able to get enough amount of time to prepare your own meals with complete nutrition. It's enriched with the goodness of Ayurvedic herbs like garcinia, green coffee bean, apple cider vinegar, green tea, cinnamon, also an added benefits of superfoods like carrots, rice protein, and more. Very low in calorie, high in protein, and high in fiber. You can save up to 500 calories per meal by having this, and it's also boosted with essential vitamins and minerals. Very easy to use and digest. Just 1 scoop in 200 ml of water. So if you are someone who lack time because of the hectic and the busy schedule that we have nowadays, definitely try this out. Link would be there in my description. It comes in 2 flavors, chocolate and mango, and I must say that both of them are really tasty. Next very important tip is to plan your schedule. Now time management is the key. You can make the best time out of your busy schedule for the exercise if you make a to-do list and a well defined plan for the next day. So time management plays a very important role, and again, making exercise a priority is important. You have to plan your schedule day before you are actually executing it. It really helps. The last but not the least, it's very important to do something you love. When you engage yourself in doing something that you really like, no matter what, you will make time for it. For example, you really like to do a dance workout, you will enjoy the process, and hence you will make time for the things that you really like, and hence you will get results. It's very important to be consistent and regular with what you are doing rather than what actually you are doing. So yes, if you want to get results, you have to be consistent, and you will be consistent only when you do something that you really love. So that's it for this video. I hope you will find it useful. I got so many messages from girls that they are not able to cope up with the workout routine because of their busy schedule. So I really understand the concern. That's why I am up with this video. I hope you will find it useful. If you liked it, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon along to never miss any update from my channel. And yeah, I'll see you very soon. Stay fit, stay happy. Bye.